Hello, children. How are you guys doing? Today, I'm going to talk about taking care of your eyes. Why? Because you all are doing e-schooling. So that's you are in front of the screen for 6 to 8 hours. And screen means all of them. So it is PC, tabs, laptops, mobiles, everything, etc., etc. So let's take this care so that you don't spoil your eyes. So let's start with the tips. Tip number one: after every 20 to 25 minutes of screening or paying attention on the screen, take 2 minutes break. How do you take the break? Look far off, look away from the screen, close your eyes, rotate the eyeballs inside, sip good amount of water. Okay, so this will help to relax your eye muscles and get the energy back and restart the work. Right? Tip number two: blink your eyes more consciously and completely. Why is this necessary? When you blink, there is a spread of tear film. So the blurring of the vision doesn't happen. Your screens remain clear. And because of that, the straining of the eyes are reduced. So this strain will go down and thus there will be no pain in your eyes. Tip number three: the brightness of the screen that you're using has to be reduced to 30 to 40%. It should be just enough to give you a good contrast. How our notebooks are? They are not bright, they're not dull. They're sufficient enough so that you can read your books. In fact, you read in an ambient light, like your room should be lit, or if you're reading in the morning, there should be good sunshine coming in. Okay, but the brightness of the screen is not required because it causes damage to the eye cells. So try adjusting it. It is a very simple thing to do and you shall be fine. Okay, now tip number four: the screen height or the screen height from your eyes should be at an eye level or maybe 20 degrees down, 20 to 30 degrees down, not up, not down. Why? Because of the neck postures, which can cause a damage to your neck. So all these things are small things, but if you take care of it, you can take care of yourself also in a better way. Right? Tip number five. Now, sometimes because of so much of screening, your eyes may fatigue. And due to that, you need to calm it down. Okay, how will you do that? Or give it a little soothness. So, how do you do that? Do warm compresses. So, take little warm water, put cotton inside or a thin cloth, dip it inside, squeeze it a little, and put it over your eyes 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening. This will remove all the fatigue from your eyes. Try doing all these tips for at least 7 to 20 days. Why? When you do this, you'll understand the changes on your own. And if still it doesn't make a difference, then you should consult your doctor. And there's one more thing to do. You cultivate some hobbies away from the screen because anyways you're on screen for some 8 hours, so do other things. Do go for painting, okay, some craft making or origami, anything that you like. So you will develop a hobby as well. And yes, you can also share these tips with the elders in the family. Tell them to follow if they are in front of screen. Parents, grandma, granddad, okay? So even they can take care of your eyes. And if you have any questions, you can text me. I will definitely reply to it. See you guys till I come with more tips for you. Okay? Bye. Enjoy your school learning. Bye.